Today we'll discuss some terms which we see often while discussing network theorems and techniques. The first one is active element. Active element supplies electrical energy to the circuit. Here E1 and E2 are the active elements. The passive element receives electrical energy from the active element and then converts it into heat such as resistance or stores in an electric field such as capacitance or stores in a magnetic field such as inductance. Here R1, R2 and R3 are the passive elements. Now let's see what node is. A node of a network is an equipotential surface at which two or more circuit elements are joined. Here R1 and E1 are joined at A and hence A is a node. Similarly, B, C, D are nodes. Node and junction are similar thing. The only difference between node and junction is when three or more circuit elements are joined, we call that point a junction. When node is when two or more circuit elements are joined. Here B and D points are junction. Now we will talk about the branch. A branch is that part of a network which lies between two junction points. In this figure, there are three branches, which is BAD, BCD and BD. A loop is an enclosed path of a network. In this figure, ABDA, BCDB and ABCDA are the loops. And the last one is mesh. A mesh is a loop too, but you cannot divide it into other loops. In this figure, ABDA and BCDB are mesh since you cannot divide those loops into other loops, but you can divide ABCDA loop into ABDA and BCDB. Hence, it is not a mesh. Thanks for watching this video.